Hey everybody, I'm Jason. I just wanted to do a quick introduction for my channel. I have a lot of interests, and what I'll probably do is I'm going to have a channel for each of my interests. Um, I guess a short, truncated synopsis of my background would be helpful. Um, where to start would be the question. Um, One of my original practical skills was machining. Um, my mother, um, when I was about 15, um, bought me a small mill and a small lathe. And I learned, like a lot of people do, I broke a lot of shit, but I learned. I read a lot of books. I educated myself on machining, and I eventually got to the point to where I worked at a machine shop for about a year and a half. I would have been there longer, but that's another tale for another time. I was also an automotive technician for about 9 years, uh, mostly in new car dealerships. Toward the end, I got into the aftermarket, which was actually kind of an improvement, believe it or not. Well, in the aftermarket, there's a lot less politics, but that's another occasion. Well, it's not another occasion, it's another tale I will tell. I have tons of information about how the automotive industry actually works, and one of the reasons that I came to the conclusion that I wanted to start making content was that I have a lot to get off my chest for a variety of reasons. But anyway, back to my original thought. After I got out of the automotive industry, I was actually employed with a Class 3 gun shop as a machinist and gunsmith, which is yet another tale. Very interesting, pretty interesting content there. But anyway, I think I'm going to call that good for right now. And there's a lot more to come. Have a good one.